Hello everyone.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel A Family in Poland,
My name is Indu.
and this is Sachin.
So today we are going to discuss our experience, our flight experience from India to Krakow, Poland. And actually, we thought of doing that very starting because when we had come, but then we got some other topics and we were talking about it. But today we are going to talk about our flight experience. Yes.
Yes.
So which flight did we travel from?
So, we traveled from the whatever experience we are sharing, it's from New Delhi and with the Lot Airlines, Polish
Yeah.
Airlines. So we started from why we choose the first of all thing a Lot flight. The reason was because it was having the shortest distance,
11 hours because
11
we have
hours.
a baby.
We have baby, and we compared this thing from with Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, from these locations as well.
Yeah.
And the price was also cheaper from there. So that's why we choose the Lot Airlines, and they have
So total we paid was around for three of us. It was around 81,000.
81,000, correct? Yeah. So for baby, for us it was 72 something, and for baby 8,000 something, whatever
Yeah,
amount.
including tax and all that stuff.
But for baby also and for us also, everyone was having three baggages total of allowed, like 23 kg, 23 kg, 23 kg,
Per
and
head, yeah.
per head. And also, like, you can take one of your personal item. Like for baby, we had stroller, so that was also allowed for each person.
Yeah.
And also one more thing, like for baby, they have given bassinet as well.
Yeah, that's what the flight. Yeah, they had given us bassinet. We had booked it, actually pre-booked it, right? If you have a baby, you can pre-book the bassinet by calling, I think, right? By
Yeah.
calling, you can get the bassinet facility. You will get that seating arrangement where a bassinet is provided.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, and
So we start from the luggage section. So luggage time you have to be very very careful. Actually, for extra 1 or 2 kg, I think they were asking 16,000. So you have to keep this thing in mind. This is very important because you are calculating 23 kg, and if it's a little bit extra because you are going because we were going first time, and
we are carrying a lot of stuff.
we are having a lot of stuff for baby clothes and everything. So it was more than 23 kg, and total extra was like 5-6 kg. So they were asking 16,000. So it's better if you pre-book this part, like for 9,000 you can book 23 kg from their
Extra,
website.
yeah,
Extra
extra.
if you want to do,
Yeah.
instead of paying 16,000 over there. And also we didn't pay that amount because we shifted something here and there, and we wore some clothes, and and we have to leave some of our food items as well.
Yeah, we left it in the airport. Yeah.
So that's how we manage that part. So, and after that,
Yes. So in the flight, how was that experience? So it was in the morning 8 a.m. And I'll tell you what happened. It was from, like, we had to come from Delhi to Warsaw. Then Warsaw, we had a layover of 2.5 hours, and then we had to catch a flight of 55 minutes to Krakow. First, let's talk about the experience. Then we'll say what. What we had to face. Okay, so the how was the flight experience was basically we got the breakfast because it was morning 8 o'clock, so we got veg breakfast. There was a lot of stuffs actually. There was bread, there was butter, there was salad, there was pasta,
and there was some sweet bakery item.
Yeah.
So it was good, I think.
Yes, it was good. And most important, as there was a baby with us, they had given us baby food also, mashed foods.
Yeah, mashed food. If your baby is going, like they gave us like spinach, mashed, and carrot,
all
and
the mashed
potato.
potato and pasta they had given, boiled pasta, just like with cream. I think that was.
So that you can give it to baby as well. So that facility is also there. Like we liked that very much.
Yeah.
And also they gave.
She was not eating that time, but we both ate.
We only ate it. True. And also they gave gift for baby as well.
Yes,
Like there was a bag of their Lot Airlines, like small bag, and then they have some toys, and then that.
There was something.
Something,
There's
yeah.
no description. But it was really good, and the food overall it was really tasty as well. What we ate as adults also, and there was water facilities, and obviously that water and all would be there.
Water, and after that they were have like free chocolates. How much chocolate you want
How
to
much
eat,
you
you
want
can
to
eat.
pick, you
Like
can-
it was during the full flight duration. You can drink wine or
Juices.
Juices you can drink, and water. Everything was there. Like unlimited, you can have it.
Yeah, and they were very what do you say, the air hostesses, and they were also very friendly. They spoke very nicely. So Obviously, we are not sponsored, but yes, they were very good. The flight journey was really
And also, like some people think whether the flight will be empty. The flight was full
full.
actually.
Yes,
So
because
because
it was to Canada or something.
so I don't know how people were going. It was connected flight. Like it will go. The people will go to Canada also from there. Something was there. Like from Warsaw, people might be changing.
Yeah, could
So that was it was a full flight. So don't think like flight will be empty. And because of the baby, we got our seats also free of cost.
yes.
I don't know how the
Other cost is the seat costs are because we called for the bassinet and they gave us a seat where bassinet was
because bassinet
available.
only they had one bassinet. So if you have baby, you have to book it pre-book only as soon as possible as you confirm your flight.
Yeah. Then, and we didn't tell about that. There were blankets as well.
They gave blankets as
Yeah.
well and pillow as well and like movie you can watch like there were Hindi movies also if you want to watch or
Hindi, English, whatever your choice. Yeah, you can watch it.
They were good movie also like we watched Raksha Bandhan.
Yeah, because there was bassinet, our baby could sleep and
We
could
can watch
the
the movie. Yeah.
Yeah, and overall the experience was very good. Then what happened? Then we got down in Warsaw, and the immigration took place in Warsaw. Then what happened? Let's share the story.
So that's it's a very important thing. So whenever you are coming, please check your visa date. So with visa date only you will be allowed to enter. So we didn't know that part key, and we didn't checked also. So we came and we came to like my visa have started, but for them it was one day later.
We had
So-
landed on 22nd, but our visa
22nd
starts on
from
23rd.
23rd. So
Our
because
visa
of
had got stamped 1 month before on 22nd.
yeah. So and because of that, either you have to stay in
They
airport,
gave two options.
two options,
Literally,
or
it was like two options. You have two options, sir.
you have to be airport or you have to go back to your country.
Yeah.
So that also be careful when.
Obviously, going back to country was not at all a choice.
Hmm.
So we had to stay back in the airport for the whole day. We had reached around 1 o'clock, 1:30.
Yeah. So for till
Warsaw
next
time,
day,
yeah.
so we have to stay there and one more thing like for baby we didn't plan this much like we will be having so much diapers will be used because
She was not feeling well, so
Our-
she was in loose stools, and there were a lot of diaper changes happening.
and also we did, like our luggage was not with us. So
So we have someone because she started crying in the stroller. Okay, so next what happened?
so we didn't have like diapers as well. So and for your information, like there will be no place where you can buy diapers for your baby.
In Warsaw
Airport.
Yeah.
We don't know about the Krakow, but this is for information if someone is coming with baby. And so after that, but the Lotte Airlines were very helpful because as it was our mistake because we didn't check the visa. Still, they gave us like 100 zloty of coupon for food.
150.
150.
150.
150 zloty
Zloty.
total for like one day, and they gave us blanket also. Like if you want to, you have to sleep at the airport. It will be helpful for you. So that was very helpful for them, and also they gave us the next immediate flight after our visa starts.
That's like the next day.
Next
We
day,
got it for actually 3 o'clock, 3 in the night, not night, sorry, afternoon,
You-
3:30 or something. But later in the morning, we went and checked. They gave us for the 1:30 also,
130
right?
also they gave. So it depends on the availability.
Yes.
But I think Lotte
They were very
Airlines was very helpful. So
Very
people were very good there. So that was the from there. But if you are, what will happen? Like first, if you take when you land at the Warsaw, then you have to do immigration check. Immigration check doesn't mean anything, but just they will check like normal airport check, and they will check your visa and passport, and they will allow you to go to the like from where you can board your flight.
Yeah.
So that was there, and after that.
And please do check your visa.
Check your visa.
we missed it. We missed it. If we knew about that, we wouldn't be coming on 22nd actually.
True. And also the airport, I think flight closes after 11 o'clock. Airport gets shut down. Shut down in the sense like there will be no more flight and no more people will be there. So
There were only few of the other people who were also, I think, immigration issue or something like that maybe.
yeah.
And yeah, that's all. What else? That's all.
Yeah. So then we boarded our next flight.
Yes, that I didn't say.
So
yeah.
that was a small like
55 minutes.
55 minutes journey, and also the flight was very small like a bus, And
Yes.
during that also they gave some meal. I think they gave some bakery item.
Bakery item to eat, but just imagine 55
Minutes flight
It was a
and
domestic flight, right?
domestic, yeah. So still they gave something to you. So and after and also that after we landed there is a it's a
Oh,
very
yes.
important thing.
Oh my god, yeah.
So when we landed, so I think it's a normal thing here, or because of the Lotte Airlines it happens. So our luggage didn't came with us. So you might be thinking because we were late, our things came. We were 1 day late. That is the reason. No,
No,
but it happens for many of the people. So if that happens with you, then you don't have to worry also, because you have to go to the counter there and you have to fill your form like what will be your address, like Airbnb address, or like any phone number you have, or you can give your mail address, and whenever your things will come, they will send it to you through their car.
We had 3 suitcases. We just got one
One of them.
in the what's that
Belt.
belt. We just got one. 2 we got it the next day. Next day or next to next day.
Next
Next to next day. I
next
think.
to next day.
Yeah, we got it.
So
Oh, we got it next day. Oh, we got it next day. They had told the same day. They gave us
they told same day, but
because it was a Sunday.
so they gave it the next day.
Next day.
So,
Yeah.
but so you can take their phone number or their email address, because whenever you reach there, you have to get your mobile number and you have to send mail to them with your, so that they will have your mobile number, so that the driver will contact you whenever he comes.
Yes. Overall, it was a good experience for Lot Airlines. It compared to anything, shorter duration, shorter lesser cash we paid in this flight, and it was a good airlines, right? Obviously, we didn't get a high class like international flight treatment or something like that, but it was really a good flight. What we say.
So I think that was our flight journey. So if let us know if you have any question, we will try to help you.
Yes. Then that's all.
That's all, guys. So, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And bye
Bye-bye.
bye.